Hello friends, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. This is Rajiv Sharkar speaking. Now I am going to show you a very beautiful picture of today's winter morning. This is a great picture to me. That's why I am gonna show you this picture. Look at the picture of nature. It's very beautiful. Can you see? I like to enjoy this kind of picture every day. That's why I walk along the road and see all the objects of nature with my eyes. I love nature. That's why in the morning I try to walk along the road and observe all the objects of nature. It seems to me I am walking through the paradise.